Hey guys, welcome back to the EdsTech YouTube channel. And so today we have the Mifa or Mifa A1 speaker unboxing. It's a quick unboxing. We're outside today. Never do these type of videos, so thought I'd give you one. So you get the books, which I don't care for reading. Speaker itself. It's got a nice way to it. Set to the side. Assumption says for accessories, which it is. You get your charging cable, very long, holy, and a strap to attach to the speaker, and that's about it. So let's get straight to the speaker. Okay, this is nice. Feels nice. And here's your power button, volume up and volume down. Here's where you're going to put that loop. And here's where you're going to set it down. I'm assuming you're going to set it down flat because it's got 4 feet. And here, there's a flap here. There's an SD card slot. That's interesting. There's an aux cable and an aux port and a micro USB. That's about it. So guys, I hope you did enjoy this little small unboxing. If you did, please smash the thumbs up button and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.